Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I will be installing a set of carbon fiber look steering wheel covers, and I will be installing these on my 15-inch steering wheel, which is in my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition double cab. I had purchased these carbon fiber look steering wheel covers from Amazon. They are from Auto U. Kind of a strange name, but hey, it is what it is. This is a 3-piece set. It's about 30 bucks from Amazon, and they do look like carbon fiber. Let me go ahead and pull them all out. They are flexible, red non-slip material on the inside. Now, like I said, I have a leather wrapped 15-inch steering wheel. They do have a 2-piece set if you have a smaller steering wheel, so you can go ahead and order either a 3-piece and a 2-piece and just send back the one you don't need. These do come in 3 colors. I have the bright black, they have bright blue, and bright red, and there is one for the 3-piece set that comes with one red one, one blue one, and one black one. I'm not too sure how that would look, but this is the 3-piece set. So let's get in the vehicle and I'll show you how to install them. First thing you're going to want to do is to clean your steering wheel. I had used the Meguiar's leather conditioner and cleaner. Now on the 3-piece set, well, the 2-piece set also, there's basically 2 sides. You have this one side that has less scallops than the other side. This one is, you got 1, 2, 3, we'll just say 4. This side there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll say 5. So I like it on this side. So to install them, it is a piece of cake. All you do, choose the side that you want. Take one of them, put them on the top, try to line it up the best you can with the stitching, and just snap it in place like that. You take one of the other ones, put it right here, just like that, and that's it. Now what I like about these is when I'm driving, I'm basically just touching this steering wheel cover. I'm not even really touching the leather. And it kind of gives you a place to, if you want to put your one finger, like right here, but it's going to be on this side. It's non-slip. Really nice. They won't move at all. So you can steer with one hand if you want to. Well, that's it. That's it for the installation. And if you want to take them off, you just grab it like this and pull it off. If you have a really skinny steering wheel, these probably won't work. They might slide around. If you come across that, you can just send them back for a full refund to Amazon. I think I told you the price in the beginning of the video. It's $30 or so, and I think it's the same price for the 2-piece. It might be a little bit less. Mine is the carbon fiber, no wait, they call it black carbon fiber. Yes, they also have red and blue, and the red, blue, black one. I'm not too sure how that would look. Well, that's it. So, if you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and the bell icon, and if you want, you can make a small donation to my channel. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. Well, that's it, folks. Today is July 4th. Have a nice day. Oh, I'll tell you this, though. When the sun hits this, it looks like real carbon fiber. That's really about all I can say. They have I believe it is a 3D printing behind this, and it has like little triangle shapes to it. So I guess with the urethane clear coating they put over it, it gives it that carbon fiber look, and it looks amazing in the bright sun. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll try to zoom in during the editing and you can check it out. Well, that's it. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. And have a safe July 4th. Bye. Okay, a set of steering wheel covers. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. I bought this set from Amazon. From Amazon. It is from Auto U. These do. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean your steering wheel really good. I did clean it pretty good with, did I turn it on? I think I did. Did I turn it on?